welcome to today's video. Today we want to learn how to simplify fractions. And simplifying fraction simply means that whatever you used to divide this is going to be used to divide this. It's more like giving you an equivalent fraction. Now we have a video on equivalent fraction. If you've not watched that video, please check in the description or go through our channel to watch that video. So simplifying a fraction simply means dividing the numerator and the denominator by common numbers. Like in this case now, you're going to be using 3 to divide this. And if you don't know why we're using 3 to divide this, you can also watch our video on the laws of division to understand why we're using 3 to divide this. And if you still don't understand why we're using 3 to divide this, you can watch our video on prime numbers. That would explain why we're using 3 to divide this. Now, when 9 goes into 9 divided by 3, and 27 divided by 3, my answer will give me 3 over 9. That's done. To break this down further, I can still go again by 3, dividing again by 3, dividing this again by 3, my answer would give me 1 over 3. So I've simplified the fraction 9 over 27 till the end point. It has given me 1 over 3. There are other videos on fraction in the comment below, on the section below. In the description below, you can watch other videos on fraction in the description. I am grateful for watching. If you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe. We are running a series of fractions in 3 minutes, explaining a fraction in less than 3 minutes. So I'll see you in our next video. Thank you.